Welcome back to the next video, guys, and today we're making some creamy spaghetti shrimp pasta. Alright, basically right now you're gonna boil the pasta. Get it? Right now it's a boil, put it in the pot of go and boil it now. Here you go. Get the shrimp, pour the shrimp in some water, some normal water. Okay, season it up. But I already watch the shrimp with vinegar with lime juice, so the season it up with some Maggi pepper, simple and plain. No all kind of season, just one seasoning. We're gonna fry our shrimp, right? Stir fry it or fry it. You know, you're gonna fry it one side 1 minute or 2 minutes, then turn it over for 2 minutes. Other side 2 minutes, okay? Because your shrimp is cooked very quickly and very easily. Right? So after that shrimp is fried and cooked, you're gonna remove it from the pot. So you're gonna start on your sauce, your creamy sauce. I use 2 sauce, guys. As you can see, the onion, bell pepper, garlic, and thyme in my pot. Stir fry that for 1 minute. Pour in some heavy cream or whipped cream, whatever you got, or milk or whatever you got. Therefore, that's what I do right there. I'm gonna go with some cheddar cheese, guys. That's what I got. You can use Parmesan cheese if you got, but that's what one I use because it makes it more creamier. So I use that one. So I'm gonna stir it up. My spaghetti is already boiled already. Shrimp is already cooked. So I'm gonna stir that for a thicker. I need to get thicker. Jerk cheese for a little bit of spice. Stir fry again. There I go with my pasta inside of it. There I go. Steam, so much steam. And this one just, yes, gather it all up, coat it properly with the sauce. That creamy sauce, right? And please be mindful that keep the stove on low at least 2 or 3. And just keep stirring it around to get coated. Pouring that shrimp all over it. Yeah. I'm gonna stir it again. Stir it. Basically it's finished, guys. Okay, you use whatever sauce you got, whatever seasoning that you use on your food, you can use. But for me, I'm gonna show you what I use. Okay, if you want to follow mine is 100% good. Not because I make it, but it's definitely good. I will need some black pepper, some salt for sure. Yes, not too much salt. Whatever you want to do, you go. I use my gear purpose and mines. Plain and simple, always the best. You never go wrong with your seasoning I'm using. Okay. Alright, there you go. Yeah, I'm gonna go stir it again. I did taste it, but when I tasted it, it needed a bit more salt, so I did add some more salt to it, but it wasn't on the camera. Alright, there you go. So simple and cool. Keep stir frying that. Stir. I go in a little bit topping some paprika, not too much, you know. Yeah. There we go. That's looking of it. Finish right there. Ready to consume, ready to share. Yep. There we go. Ready. I'm Mr. Ready. Ready. Time to start sharing, guys. I don't know about you, but me eat no food. I'm not gonna be honest with you. After I eat that first plate, I did go for a second plate. That's how good the pasta is. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, okay? Like, share, subscribe, and share this video. Alright, guys? Thank you guys for watching. Until next time again, follow, subscribe to my channel so you know when our next video posts. Okay, that's the finishing product of it. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Like and share. Okay, there you have it. Creamy shrimp pasta. You know that thing on the buds, they were not like spice, nice though.